Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be talking about how you can make money online with Open ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT is an AI tool, and without wasting too much of our time, let's get into it. This is the website for the Open ChatGPT. This is openai.com. If you open the website for the first time, this is how it's going to look like. And the next thing for you to do is just to click on this particular try button. When you click on this try button, it's for the first time you get in a pop-up, and it's going to say login or sign up. So you click on sign up. After signing up, it asks for your phone number. After asking for your phone number, you get the verification code. Then that's it. Then you log in into the dashboard just like this. This is how the dashboard looks like. So for you to make money online, there are different ways you can make money online with these particular tools. Number one is writing scripts on Fiverr. Second one is affiliate marketing. This is by selling other people's product, and you earn a commission. And the third one is making content online, making videos on YouTube, TikTok, and the likes of Instagram for people to watch, and you gain revenue from these social medias. Without wasting too much of our time, let's get into it. The next thing I like to do this in my own personal way, the way I do it. I think the last time, if you check my previous video, we talked about writer.me. This is the same job Writer and Open AI does together, but I think Open AI is a bit advanced, and it's a free tool, and it gives you exclusive content. Now, how does writer.me comes in when I'm talking about openai.com? Now, let's say we are going to do an affiliate marketing for a particular brand, for a particular product, all we need to do, take for example, this is Amazon website. Now we are going to say we are going to sell a particular product for a particular brand, or probably for a makeup brand, and which is let's say we are going to use light stand. So light stand. So this is a light stand on Amazon, and I'm going to sell this particular product to people and earn commission. But I really don't know what to write, what to say, but I know how to make videos, or I know how to go about it, but what to write about this particular light stand. The next thing for you to do, this is why I'm here for you. So the next thing for you to do, you have your products that you are going to promote. The next thing for you to do is just come to AI. Well, if you just I am going to do this the way I do my own thing. So you might have a different way, but let's get into it. So click on start write. You can do this with a free account on writer.me, then come to a blog idea and outline. So this is why. So let's say the primary keyword is light stand. So I'm going to use 3 variants, and let me say I'm going to use none, which is more factual. So let's write for me. So it's writing now, and let's see what it brings out. Now we have the complete guide to light stand and how they can improve your photography. So this is the introduction, the type of light stand, how to choose the best light stand for your need, conclusion, the the best light stand for every photographer's need. This is a whole script. This is a script. Only what you need to do now is just to build this particular script. This is the same thing for the second one, and you can see, well, I think the AI made a mistake here, because what I wrote in number 1 is still the same thing as number 2. Well, I have a perfect script here, so I really don't need to rewrite again. But if you find the same thing here and you're not satisfied with what you have here, all you need to do is just reload the page and do the keyword search again. So now you're done with writer.me here. This is what I needed the writer to do for me. This is what I needed the writer to do for me. If you have any other method for you to generate this particular aspect, this particular outline, blog idea and outline, then you can use it instead of coming to writer.me. I am only using this method because this is the safest and the fastest for me when it comes to writing a particular script for people on Fiverr, because I do script writing and affiliate marketing. So now let's just copy this particular aspect. What is a light stand and why do we need one? So you come back here. See, this is your chat.open.ai dashboard, and what you need to do is just copy and paste what you copied from or what you intend to write about here. Tap on enter and let's see ChatGPT do its magic. Can you see? A light stand is a piece of photograph equipment used to hold and support light source, which is such as flash or continuous light. See, it says they are adjustable. Light stands are usually, so this is, if you're not okay with the response it gives you, all you need to do is just click on the regenerate response. As you can see, it's giving me another reason. If you noticed in the first answer it gave me, it did not give me why do I need one. And when I clicked on the regenerate, see what it's giving me now. There are several reasons why you might need a light stand. One of the reasons is to hold, see, blah 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 blah. Now let's go into the second. This is type of light stand. You copy and you paste here and see, tap enter. There are different type of light stand available, each designed for, see, compact light stands, heavy duty light stand, boom stands, C stands, what else, air cushioned light stands. See, we have 5 types of light stands here. This is mind-blowing. What else are you looking for? Let's go back to our writer.ai. How to choose the best stand for your needs. Copy, paste, and tap enter. When choosing a light, there are a few. Oh my god. Listen, you can use this particular tool to write a full book. You can use this particular tool to write a full story, and you will get exactly what you need. So if you're going to promote a product on Amazon and you use this particular tool, trust me, you will get sales and you will earn your commission. See, let's see, conclusion. The best light stands for, so let's see what it's going to tell us here. Oh my god. There's no best light for every photographer. See, I think there's nothing like the best light for that. Is just a conclusion. See, network error, and this is how you're going to do for every script that you have, just for you to generate everything. So all you need to do is just come on Amazon, pick up a particular item. It might not be makeup product or beauty product. You can go into other aspect, other items on Amazon to to promote their product and make personal income. And if you're going to sell on Fiverr, you can also make products here. And particularly, most importantly, for people who make videos for YouTube, you can make your videos here. You can make your script here. And after making this script, all you need to do is just go on, click jump, create new video, and make a nice cool video. Or you go to steve.ai to make videos. See, they are offering them Christmas offer 40% off. Or you go to invideo.io to make your video, and that's it. I think the most important and the most difficult part of making videos online is the script aspect. And when you have a tool to make a script for you, then you have no problem. So this is going to be the end of my video. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If there's anything you really don't understand about this ChatGPT or any of these tools that I have mentioned, Writer, ClickChamp, Steve.ai, and the main video, please kindly comment in there. Drop your comments, drop your questions in the comment section, and trust me, I would attend to you immediately. Thank you so much for watching my video to the end. Thank you, and God bless you.